Now we will discuss about as I have told you that if the drug remains in this vascular compartment, some amount, suppose this is the drug, some amount of the drug remains free and some amount of the drug remains bound to the plasma protein. Okay, suppose this is the drug and this is the plasma protein. So drug is there in the two form. One is the drug is there, that is called the free form, and the drug that is there which is called the bound form. Free form and bound form. Okay, now the point is that this question is commonly asked, that explain plasma protein binding act as a temporary reservoir of the drug. Temporary reservoir of the drug. It means कि वो ड्रग का एक संग्रह स्थान है, ड्रग वहां पे रहेगी. What is the reason? What is the reason? I have told you in the volume of the distribution that the drug which is there in the vascular compartment and which is bound to the plasma protein, it cannot crosses the vascular compartment because the size of the plasma protein, that bound drug, that size is too much high that it cannot crosses this vascular compartment. So अभी drug vascular compartment से बाहर निकलेगी ही नहीं. And that's why if the drug not comes out of the vascular compartment, it will not be distributed, it will not be distributed to the target site. That is one, it will not be distributed. Second, that drug is not available for the action. Okay, not available for the action. That is another one. The third point is that the drug is also, अभी ड्रग वास्कुलर कंपार्टमेंट से बाहर ही नहीं निकल रही है, तो ड्रग मेटाबोलाइज भी होगी नहीं, क्योंकि वो लीवर तक ड्रग पहुंचेगी भी नहीं. And the fourth is plasma protein bound drugs, they are not available for the excretion. So the point is that plasma protein binding, it will not allow the drug to crosses to the vascular compartment and all the subsequent actions, reaches to the system, reaches in the extracellular fluid compartment, reaches to the target site. It will not reach to the target site, so the action will not be there. Second, the drug is not reaches to the liver, so the drug is not going to metabolize, the drug is not going to excrete, and that's why plasma protein bound drug is known as a temporary reservoir of the drug. Now what will happen to this drug? This point is also very important. अब क्या होगा? हमने ये बात कर दी कि चलो क्या होगा, इसी फिगर को हम ध्यान में लेते हैं. The free drug that is there in the plasma, it is only available for crossing the membrane. तो ये ड्रग ने क्रॉस कर दिया, ये ड्रग ने क्रॉस कर दिया, ठीक है. और ये जो ड्रग है ये क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन के साथ बाउंड है. तो क्या होगा? अब नेक्स्ट इक्विलिब्रियम क्या आ जाएगा? आप देखिए यहां पे से फॉर एग्जांपल 70% बाउंड ड्रग थी और 30% ड्रग फ्री थी. अब ये ड्रग ने तो क्रॉस कर दिया, तो ये जो इक्विलिब्रियम है ये अब चेंज हो गया. ओके, तो क्या होगा? अब ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि वो 70% बाउंड ही रहेगी, बात खत्म नहीं. अब बाउंड फ्रैक्शन में से अगेन थोड़ी ड्रग जो है वो फ्री होगी, ठीक है. बाउंड फ्रैक्शन में से अगेन थोड़ी ड्रग फ्री होगी और वो जो फ्री ड्रग है वो फिर से मेम्ब्रेन को क्रॉस करेगी. सो ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम, तो यहां पे फिर कितनी रह जाएगी? 40%. फिर से जो फ्री ड्रग है उसने क्रॉस कर दिया, तो क्या होगा? अगेन द बाउंड ड्रग इट बिकम्स फ्री. So there is a very fine equilibrium between the free form and the bound form. As the free concentration of the drug crosses the plasma membrane, the percentage of the free form reduces, and that's why again the some amount of the bound drug again become free, again it crosses the vascular membrane, again the equilibrium altered, again some bound drug becomes free, and that's why more the plasma protein binding of the drug, it is having a longer duration of action. Okay, thank you.